Good morning. In the second lecture, we will discuss some more numerical problems based upon the ideal gas equation or gas laws. Problem number 5. O2 is present in 1 liter vessel at a pressure of 7.6 into 10 to the minus 10 mm of Hg. Calculate number of O2 molecules at 0 degree Celsius. तो इसमें हम सबसे पहले नंबर ऑफ मोल्स फाइंड करेंगे बाय यूजिंग द आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन. वॉल्यूम इज गिवन 1 लीटर. टेम्परेचर हियर इज 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, दैट इज 273 Kelvin. We will use PV equal to nRT. From here we can calculate the value of N, like what is pressure here, that is 7.6 10 is per minus 10 mm में है, इसको हम ATM में चेंज करेंगे. डिवाइड बाय 760 into volume is 1 equal to N. What is R? You can use 0.082 into temperature is 273. From here we can easily calculate the value of N. It comes out to be 4.46 10 is per minus 14. ये हमारे पास आ जाते हैं मोल्स ऑफ O2. तो हमें कैलकुलेट क्या करना है, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ O2. नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स कैसे निकालेंगे, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इनटू Na. तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 4.46 10 is per minus 14 into 6 into 10 is per 23 Avogadro number, and your answer will be 2.68 10 is per 10. So this is the answer. The number of oxygen molecules are equal to 2.68 10 is per minus 10 is per 10 molecules. Problem 6. A mixture of CO and CO2 is found to have density of 1.5 gram per liter at 30 degree Celsius temperature and 730 mm of Hg pressure. What is the composition of mixture? We have to find the composition of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide mixture, that in mixture of these two gases, what is the percent of carbon monoxide and what is the percentage of carbon dioxide, that we have to find. For that we have to find the average molecular mass of the mixture. From that average molecular mass we can easily calculate the composition by using a shortcut method. Now start with for a mixture we know that density is 1.50 gram per liter. It means your mass here is 1.5 gram, that is present in 1 liter. So by using pressure can be changed into, like pressure is given as 730 mm. We can change it into ATM by dividing it by 760. Temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and we will change it into Kelvin. It becomes 303 Kelvin. Using this equation, PV is equal to nRT. What is N? N is the number of moles, that is equal to W by M. So PV become equal to W by M RT. Okay, from here we have to calculate mass. Here this M is the average molar mass actually, because we have a mixture of gases. अगर एक गैस होती तो उसका मोलर मास होता है. नाउ वी हैव अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस, तो दिस M that represent the average molecular mass of the mixture, two gases. 1.5 gram per liter means the mass is 1.5 gram, the volume is 1 liter. You can put the value in this formula, like pressure is 730 upon 760, volume is 1, W is 1.5, divide, M is average molecular mass, R is constant value 0.0821, and temperature is in Kelvin 303. Why you convert the pressure into ATM? Because this value R, it has a unit of liter ATM per Kelvin per mole. From this, by calculating M की वैल्यू जो है वो आपकी आ जाएगी 38.85. This is your average molecular or molar mass of the mixture. From this average molar mass, we can easily calculate the percentage. There is a shortcut that the percentage of CO equal to average molecular mass minus percentage of CO2. Modulus is there. नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव साइन कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. नीचे आ जाएगा आपका जितना उनका मोलर मास ऑफ CO माइनस मोलर मास ऑफ CO2 माइनस CO कर लेते हैं. दिस इज अ वेरी शॉर्टकट सिंपल शॉर्टकट मेथड दैट अगर हमने CO की परसेंटेज निकालनी है तो एवरेज मोलर मास माइनस परसेंटेज ऑफ मोलर मास ऑफ CO2 and downside here we have a difference between these two. So average molar mass is 38.85, molar mass of CO2 is 44. Okay, and here molar mass of CO2 is 44 minus 28. It come out to be 5.15. साइन नहीं लेना आपने, मॉडुलस है 16. अगर इसमें परसेंटेज निकालनी है तो हम इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये आपका आ जाएगा 32.19%. ऐसे ही परसेंटेज ऑफ CO2 उसको 100 में से 32.19 को माइनस कर देंगे तो ये आपका आ जाएगा 100 में से आप 32.19 को माइनस कर देंगे 18 8 7 में से 2 9 में से 2 7 9 में से 3 6 तो ये आपका परसेंटेज आ जाएगा. दिस इज अ शॉर्टकट मेथड हियर दैट अगर आपने यहाँ पे परसेंटेज ऑफ CO2 लेना है तो यस इस जगह पे मास जो है CO का आ जाएगा ऑपोजिट. देयर आर टू कंपोनेंट लाइक A एंड B. परसेंटेज ऑफ A निकालना है तो यहाँ पे मास B का, परसेंटेज B निकालना है तो यहाँ पे मास A का, नीचे दोनों का डिफरेंस और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा एवरेज मोलर मास उस मिक्सचर का. तो दिस इज अ शॉर्टकट मेथड टू फाइंड द percentage from average molecular mass. Problem 7. Weight of 350 ml of a diatomic gas at 0 degree Celsius and 2 atm is 1 gram. Calculate the weight in gram of 1 atom. We have to find. तो इस प्रॉब्लम के अंदर थोड़ा सा मोल कंसेप्ट भी यूज होगा. तो V is given as 350 milliliter. Pressure is 2 atm. Temperature is 0 degree Celsius, that is 273 Kelvin. Weight of gas is 1 gram. So by using this PV equal to nRT, again PV equal to W by mRT, we can calculate M. Pressure is 2, that is in atm. Volume is 350, so it must be, we must take it in liter. So it is 0.08 350 liter. W is 1 gram. Molar mass we have to find. R is 0.082 constant value and temperature is 273. So from here M comes out to be 32. So this is the molar mass of gas. Now gas is diatomic. What is the atomic mass or atomic weight of gas? That is 32.2. It comes out to be 16. So next is the weight of one atom of this gas equal to atomic weight divided by Na. So when you divide it by Na, 6 into 10 is per 23, answer comes out to be 2.66, 10 is per minus 23 ग्राम. सो इसमें उसने क्या किया, पहले तो आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन का यूज करवा दिया, उसके बाद यहाँ पे आके मोल कंसेप्ट. नेक्स्ट इज एन ओपन वेसल एट 27 डिग्री is heated until 3/5 of air in it has been expelled. When you heat the vessel that is open, so air will be expelled out obviously. Assuming that the volume of the vessel remain constant, find out temperature at which vessel was heated. B part है air escaped out if vessel is heated to 900 Kelvin. C part कह रहा है temperature at which half of the air escape out. Let the initial mole of gas at 27 degree Celsius or N. तो ये हमने assume कर लिया. On heating, what happened on heating? 3/5 mole of air are escaped. Out. So how many moles left in the vessel? So moles of air left, that is n minus 3/5 n, that is 2/5 n. Now we will start with the first part. First part, A part is at temperature T1, that is 300 Kelvin, given here 27 degrees Celsius, number of moles N. Now when we keep the pressure and volume constant, we will apply this relation N1 T1 equal to N2 T2. N1 is say N, T1 is 300, N2 is 2/5 N, and T that we have to find out. We have to find out this T. So by calculating, T comes out to be 750 Kelvin, that is equal to 477 degree Celsius. So this is the first part, that the temperature at which vessel was heated. So find out the temperature. Next is the next part is B. Now T1 is 300 Kelvin again. At 300 Kelvin, number of moles were N. When the temperature is increased to 900, then number of moles become equal to say N1. Again applying the formula, so 300 into N, 900 into N1. So from here N1 is calculated as 1 by 3 N. तो हमें निकालना है नंबर ऑफ एयर एस्केप्ड आउट, तो क्या लिखेंगे, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स escaped out equal to n minus 1 by 3n, that is 2 by 3n. So this number of moles are escaped out. C part, temperature at which half of the mole. Okay, we have to find the T at which the number of moles is n by 2. So n into 300 equal to n by 2 into T. Simple. So we can calculate T easily. T comes out to be 600 Kelvin, that is equal to 327 degree Celsius. So this is the third answer.